Running a couple minutes late to stand up? Don't wait on me. Sprint review is Thursday, 28th of April. Same link as always. Before that, I need 3 things done by Wednesday evening. You can see those in previous email. Can everyone confirm? I want to wash my car, and car wash is 100 meters away. Should I walk or drive? You are a dry, witty assistant. Answer only with a single word.
That's a great idea. Do you need tips on how to do it, or are you looking for a nearby car wash?
The quietest revolution is the one where you stop typing and start thinking out loud. Speed is not about moving faster. It is about removing the moment between the idea and the action. Your voice is the fastest interface you already know how to use.